can see all these rich gourds, right? So today we are here to harvest a few of them which have already grown a little and they're ready to harvest. So we have so many of them coming up in the coming days, so eagerly waiting for all of them to come so that we can harvest them. So you can see many of these small rich gourds coming up. So this is a fully grown ridge gourd. So we have around 4 of them, but maybe we can see if we can harvest all 4 of them or a couple of them. So this is also fully grown. So these are all ready. Let's harvest them. I'll see if I can harvest any of the leafy veggies also. So this is some methi. I think we can harvest a bit of it. This is some spinach. Chili plants are growing all over. I don't know if we can. The maid seems to have put many seeds here, so they are all growing all over. And this chiku is also ready, I think. So maybe we can harvest it some next time. So let's harvest these now. So I'm going to harvest this one. So these are the harvest, the first rich gourds from our terrace garden. So I'm super happy to see them. Eagerly waiting for the rest of the rich gourds to come. So now let's see if any of the leafy veggies are ready to harvest. I think I can harvest some Malabar spinach. So let me do this. This has grown more from last time. See, you can see the plant is growing like a creeper. So the more we pluck, the more it grows. The sorrel leaves are also coming up. So last time we cut this from the stems, if you remember. So we were not able to harvest them much. But yeah, this time they're coming up more. So next time you can pick the leaves from it. The mulberry tree is having the same fruits, but I'm eagerly waiting for them to ripen and grow red and black so that we can pluck them too. But I don't know how long it will take them for them to ripen. So you can see they are still green in color. So there are many of them, but all are green. So we're eagerly waiting for them to ripe. See if we can get some spinach. Let's do some bit of spinach. Not much here, but yeah, whatever is there, just plucking a bit of it. Let's go to the other spinach plant. You can do some basil also, I guess, but I don't know, I'm not using much of basil, so Master let me take a few of it, few of the leaves, so that we can use them in some salad maybe. We are not much into making salads, but still let me try this time. I'll try preparing some salad for this. And the fragrance coming from this basil is really good. Nice. It has really good smell. Let's do some spinach here. So we have some more spinach here. So let's pluck a bit of it. So we've got some spinach, some Malabar spinach, some basil and some rich gourds. So I'm really happy with the rich gourds we got today. So this is the harvest we got from rich gourds. So this is the first time we are harvesting some rich gourds growing from our terrace garden. And it's really nice to see them here. So I'm happy. The first vegetable from our garden. This is a lemon tree and we still have only a few lemons, one here and one here, so we are eagerly waiting for them to ripen and cut them. I can't see any other lemons here. There was one ripe one here, but I think it fell down and someone must have picked it. So this is the pomegranate tree. You can see many pomegranates. We are eagerly waiting for them to ripen and for us to have them. But the last time we plucked one, it was the seeds were a bit hard. Let's see how these ripen ones and how they'll taste. So this is the guava. We still didn't get any guavas from this tree. And this is the sorrel sorrel plant, which we cut from the stems, but now it's growing again. So hopefully we'll get a harvest in the next week. And this is the tamarind tree. We were planning to remove this tree because I don't think we can keep it in our home. It's going to grow very big, so we are planning to remove this tree. And this is the Malabar spinach, which I said. And these are the mulberries. I don't know, eagerly waiting for them to ripen. Maybe inside some of them must have ripened, but I can't see any of them which are red or black color. This is the basil which we harvested, and this is the custard apple tree. And this is some amaranthus, red amaranthus. We can harvest a bit, but I'm not yet going to pluck them. Maybe next time. This is the green amaranthus, and this is another pomegranate tree. So you can see the pomegranate here. Here's one more. There's one more here. And the chiku. The chiku is another plant which has our attention and waiting for it to taste. So this is the most biggest one on the tree. So I don't know if we have to wait for it to ripen on the tree or just pluck it and ripen it inside at home. But yeah, we are waiting for this to grow. And this is some tulsi. This is some tulsi. And this is the methi. We didn't harvest this methi yet. So this is the whole thing today. Today's harvest, we had only some Malabar spinach, some spinach and 4 rich gourds.